Hi, this is Brent from AutoIndustriya.com and we're here at the SMX Convention Center for the 2018 Manila Auto Salon and Sport Truck Show. Join me inside as we check out the tricked out trucks and customized rides. We're here with Atoy Llave, one of the pioneer car customizers in the Philippines, and he's here to tell us more about what's going on here in this display.
First of all, I'd like to say hi to all viewers ng Autoindustriya. We have four designs to choose na all original Atoy design. What we did right now, we invested na for yung parang paano mo bibigyan ng comfortable ang tao sa traffic. Kasi nakita namin sa market, walang gumawa sa buong Pilipinas kung nag-invest ka ng sarili mo design. Usually, people buy them. If you import daw tuan, yung may mga headrest, lahat very basic na. Parang naisip namin, we want to give something para sa mga taong nasa traffic. Make them more comfortable in traffic. That's why we have the Atoy Traffic Office, which is the 4 design to choose.
We're here with Haw of Import Hookup, and he's here to tell us more about what's going on here in this display.
Yeah, we're in Manila on the Salon 2018 in the SMX, and in our booth we have 14 cars displays. There's a lot of exotics, but we have some premiums.
We're here at the 199 Off-Road House Pavilion with off-road pioneer, Mr. Ramon To-Ong.
Hi Brent, good afternoon. Welcome to our place. I think it is really the longest event. But you know, ang dream talaga natin is to be an international to put the Philippines in the international off-roading map. So ito na yung umpisa. This is the Conquest, the latest version of the Toyota Hilux pickup. And it's a popular model right now. And as you can see, we took it to its extreme limit, which is a 10-inch lift using 40-inch tires.
We're here at the Foilacar display with the king of foil, Lester Codog.
Hi everybody, hi Autoindustriya. How are you, Brent?
Great.
Thank you very much for showing me here in your Autoindustriya site. And actually, we have two things here in my booth. We're promoting two things. It's the sprayable, fillable liquid foil. So it's not your ordinary film now. Now, foiling now is liquid form that you spray. After it dries, it turns out to be a sticker. So that's the newest technology now in foiling industry. Number 2 is I'm promoting the collaboration. Now, as what I said, collaboration is the next future. So what we're doing, textile fashion designer worldwide is designing for certain cars for Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. So what we're doing is we're asking them to design specifically for those cars, and we're the one installing it.
We're here with some of the judges. Komar Johari, special guest judge from Thailand. Kits Aragon, off-road judge. And Francis Palyarco, custom car judge.
You know, last year was a very tough act to follow in terms of the sport truck show portion of Manila Auto Salon, mainly because we had two big monster trucks. So I was thinking it would be a tough act to follow. But what happened now is we're seeing more not novelty cars, but vehicles that are properly built, properly restored, and properly equipped. So I think in terms of expectation, for this year, it was definitely surpassed.
The auto salon in Manila here is basically is getting better. It's improving in quality every year, and the number of cars that is improving in build quality is also increasing. The volume is also increasing, and people must understand that this is an auto salon. Cars to be on show, so they have got to be in immaculate condition as a show car. So some cars are very good, but some cars are basically, I would say, negligible. But they are getting more and more high quality exhibition cars.
For this year, the level of the build of the cars has greatly improved, and along with if last year's show we only saw like 2-3 supercars, well, this year's going to be a blast because there's a lot of supercars. I mean, cars you wouldn't imagine that would be modified are modified.
We are here with Trade Show International President, Ms. Sophie De Los Santos, the organizer of the Manila Auto Salon, who's here to tell us more about what's going on at this year's Manila Auto Salon.
Hi, Bran. Thank you for having me here. Welcome, everyone, to the 12th Manila Auto Salon and the 24th Sport Truck Show. It is the biggest automotive aftermarket event in the Philippines, and we have about over 200 vehicles on display. So I hope you won't miss this show. Thank you.